Hey guys, Sasaki here. Do you know how to use Bollinger Bands? Today we're going to be showing you guys how to use it for day trading. No boring lessons. Let's go to the chart and learn it right now. So guys, like I said, with no boring lessons and just going to the point, here I have my chart, the Bollinger Bands. Just in case you don't know how to put this on BlackArrow, I'm going to teach you very quickly. Here I already have, but I'm going to click on delete so that I can put with you guys from the beginning. So I click anywhere in my chart with the right click with my mouse, add indicator, and then I'm going to search for Bollinger Bands. All right, that's this one. You have in the upper area an explanation on how the indicator works and why you should use it. So here I have an explanation which is very useful for me, for example. Now I'm going to click on add and then I'm go for OK. All right. The default version of Bollinger Bands comes with 20 as their default moving average. I'm going to do a specific setting here that is going to help you to make more profits. So I'm going to click on the Bollinger Bands. This menu is going to open here, and then I'm going to adjust that for 21 interval. It's a small change, but it is going to help you guys in some situations. Also, the deviation by standard is 2. I'm going to put 1.85. It's also very important that you do this if you want to test this strategy, okay? I'm going to click on OK. You know that it changes a little bit, but again, you're going to see why this is important. All right, so it works like this. 90% of the time, the prices are inside the Bollinger Bands, okay? When you have situations like this, where the market goes very quickly and it goes down like this, it's an opportunity to take this volatility of the market and take as a profit. So it happens usually in specific movements. And how can you take these movements and make profits? Very simple. Let's say this, for example. So the prices were going inside the Bollinger Bands, and then it closes outside of that, specifically in this candle. So it closes outside. The next one, if it closes inside, so you can see here, that is why I told you have to set up with my parameters. This closes inside, right? So you would buy here, and your target could be or the moving average in the middle of the Bollinger Bands, which is a very good one. But if you see that you have more opportunities, you can use as a target the upper area of the Bollinger Bands. It's up to you. Me, I use personally the middle of the Bollinger Bands because I don't do a lot of longer trades. I just do scalping. It takes like a few minutes. And that's my style of trading. But you can use just like you want. I can show you guys a lot of examples of how it worked, okay? Let's say this one as well. So the market was going inside the Bollinger Bands. It had a high very quickly, and then this closes outside. This one closed almost inside, but not yet. Again, guys, that's why I told you about the setup. And finally, this one closed inside. So you would sell here, and your target would be this green area, which is the moving average inside the Bollinger Bands. So this is for day trading, okay, guys? So it's a quick trading. This one, 15 minutes and 0.03 profit. Like I said before, guys, in the other video, and if you missed this, you can see here the link so you can check the video. It's every day trader, especially day traders, okay, mission to test the strategy before actually using. So I suggest you guys to actually put this in your BlackArrow, in your platform. Check how it works in your asset, the one that you like. For this case, I'm using the 5 minutes time frame, but you can use whenever you like. For example, oh, this works for 1 minute. I haven't tested it, but probably works sometimes. For example, here, just worked. So we have a candle closing outside. Just here, I'm going to show you guys this one. And the next one closed inside. You buy here as an example, and you have made profit in just 4 minutes. So there is no actually correct time frame, but that is the one that you like the most. So the one that you're used with trading. So it's your mission to actually test this. I use a 5 minute chart, but it's up to you. Test whenever you like. You can actually test with other assets, other symbols, forex, cash index, and so on. So I'm not sure if it works with everything, but I have made good profits using this one on forex. And like I said, it has opportunity every day, guys. Look, another one here, profit. Here it went down, profit. So at least twice a day you have this happening. And if you are, especially if you are either a beginner or intermediate level, it's a very good one that you can start and actually make profits using a very simple strategy. Okay, so that was the content, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and liked this one. So let me know in the comments if you guys like this kind of content, bringing strategies so you can use for day trading or swing trading and so on. And I see you guys on next video. See you guys.